Today I'm going to show you how I made these cute little Halloween ghosts, and they're made with some Holo nail polish, so I'm really excited. So let's get started. First I'll be applying a base coat to protect my natural nail. Next I'll be applying Brave's Diva polish on the black. And this is a one coat stamping polish, and you can also use it as a base color, which I'm going to use it today. So we're only going to need one coat of this. And on my accent nails, I'm going to use this Parrot polish, and it's called Feel the, probably rainbow, because this is a great Holo. David of Parrot Polish created this, and it was only available to the Parrot Polish Party People Facebook group. I will link the group in the description box below in case you're interested in joining. I guess they do some releases where, you know, if you want the, he'll say, hey, I've got this, and then if you want it, you can message him, and then he'll send it to you. So I'm not sure if it's still available, but it's kind of new, so he still might have some supply to make some more if you're interested. All that information will be in the description box below. I've actually decided to go in with a second coat of the black just to smooth out some of the imperfections I had. I think a thicker coat works better. And I'm putting the second coat of the Holo. I hope it's sunny outside. We could take my Manny out there and show you how gorgeous this looks in the sun. This is so beautiful. I'll be using Lena's Spookalicious 01 stamping plate. I'll be attempting to make a decal out of one of these little ghosts right in here. Okay, I'm just going to try to pull away some of these little ghosts. Just going to take a little bit of the Parrot polish on a brush and just color it in. I'm just going to dab it on. Take a little peek at that, and I think it looks pretty good. And I'm just going to take the same ghost images, and I'm going to do a negative stamping. I'm going to add liquid latex to protect my skin. Again, I'm going to put a thin coat of a sticky base coat on the nail so that the stamping sticks to it. I'm going to let it dry for 1 minute. Okay, now I'm just going to put these little ghosts here. Okay, and I'm going to put some ghosts on my thumb. And then the little decal I made, I'd like him to go right here. Okay, it looks like I went out of the lines right there, so I'll just take a little cleanup brush, dipped in the black polish, and just kind of fix that. Just going to take a little cleanup brush and clean up that edge right there hanging over. Just going to take off the liquid latex. Looks like it peeled up a little bit here. I can't tell if that was supposed to be solid or a ghost, but I'm just going to fill that in a little bit. I think that looks okay. I'll do some more quick cleanup with the corrector pen. I'll just finish this up. Oops. I like to dip it in acetone, but I have to re-dip it. Or wipe somewhere else. There we go. Right, so I'll just finish this up off camera and then I'll come back. Now I'm going to use Maniology Smudge Free. To seal in the stamping. This is so it won't smear. Okay, so now I'm just going to put a coat of Sash Vite over all of my nails. And then wait for that to dry and come back. Here is the finished mani. And the little hollow ghost came out so cute. I really like that technique. I've never used, well, I don't use negative image stamping plates very much anyway, but I'm so glad that I decided to try the negative image decal, because that came out really cute and it matched the other ghosts on the other fingers. So I really like how that turned out. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not one of my subscribers, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.